This is the OEM one. As you can see, in the daytime it doesn't light that bright. In the nighttime, this whole thing does get light sent through it, but it's not that good. Here's the one I'm putting in. You can see, even in the daytime, it has much more light attenuation going through it. And for good measure, here's the black one. I think the black one lights a little cleaner and a little less choppy. But like I said, you lose this on the back side of the mirror. It comes through right there when you're driving, so you can see it. And I didn't like losing that. And honestly, I could see a future where I put these one back on and just live with it. But you can also chop off. Let's see on a good one. On the black one, it's just this part right here. If you cut it off, like right there, light will still disperse, it just won't be smooth. It wouldn't be hard to fill that in with clear plastic and rock it, but for now, I'm going to switch to the slightly smoked one instead of the fully smoked one. Okay, and if you notice, this headlight isn't working. That is just a depot placeholder while we do a full retrofit. So if that's something you're interested in, you should subscribe, and we'll dig deep into why the Audi A3 headlights suck. And it doesn't matter if you get the bi-xenons or the LEDs. In fact, the LEDs are worse, but they're all terrible. Alright, thanks for watching.